We've recently received some results back from the lab where we had sent in a whole lot of samples from our Running Creek prospect to get checked against what our field measurements were. We were pleasantly surprised that these results came back with significantly more copper and in particular cobalt than we had expected. So what that means is that similar to the Stanton cobalt deposit, we have a copper-rich part of the system, and now these results are showing us that we've now found a cobalt-rich part of the system. So we believe that we now have the potential to find mineralisation similar to Stanton at the Running Creek prospect. We've recently completed an induced polarisation or an IP survey at Running Creek. We undertook that survey directly across where we have some of the best mineralisation in drill holes to date. And what we do with that survey is we inject a electrical current into the ground, and that has the potential to charge up the mineralisation, essentially like a battery, and we can map out from that where the mineralisation might occur both at depth and away from the drill holes. So the results of that survey have come in, and we've been able to identify a very large chargeable feature beneath the drill holes that currently have the mineralisation at the moment. So we think there's a direct correlation with this large chargeable feature, and it's been caused by the mineralisation that we've identified to date. So we're really excited to go out and test that chargeable feature, and we think that it's showing us that the mineralisation we've identified so far extends in all directions. So both laterally away from where the drill holes are at the moment, and also at depth. So now that we have this new exploration information at the Running Creek prospect, which indicates to us that the system is a lot more cobalt rich than we'd previously thought, and also is a lot larger in size than we previously thought, it has given us a lot of confidence in our exploration program that we undertook in 2018. And in addition to that, it's brought a lot of enthusiasm to get back out there and undertake drilling in the shorter term on the Running Creek prospect, and also across a large number of high quality targets that we have across the Wollogorang Project in general. It's shown us that this area has a lot of potential to host this mineralisation style, and that there's probably a lot more to be found within the region. So I believe that the fundamentals of the battery metals market continue to remain strong. In particular for cobalt, if you look at the sheer number of electric vehicles that have been committed to both by individual automotive companies as well as individual countries, there's no doubt in my mind that the demand for cobalt will continue to grow. If you look at other battery metals, well, we believe that batteries are the future, and we believe that we need to place Northern Cobalt to be a supplier of those battery metals into the future.